Good morning, guys. Hello. We'll get started in like 2-3 minutes. Just sorting out a couple things and then we'll get started. But post some questions, tickers, all that. Any general questions, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. All right, guys? I'll go through Twitter as normal and then I'll come back to you guys, all right? See you in a minute. People should be in this ALZN, by the way, or TGL, sorry. Gave it to you guys a little early here. What is that? Yeah, so I gave it to you guys here. Look, I literally said worth entries at, I will tell you the exact price. Let me zoom into this. 148 was when I mentioned to you guys, which was exactly 6 minutes ago. That means if you got in around that level, let's say 146, okay, so we'll put 146. And if you entered then, you would be up a nice 10%, right? So when I mentioned it, when it's worth entries, it's up 10%. If you did take it, then you should sell at least 50 to 70% of your position, move your stop loss to break even, and then that's it, right? So as easy as that. That's how easy it is to make money in stock market. Someone has just asked me, I don't know if anyone has seen it. I'm sure you have, because you're all from Twitter, but someone has literally asked me, wait, what was that? Has asked me, I know you guys see it. Someone just asked me, what is your price prediction for Hollow? Guys, what kind of question is that? Isn't that the most stupid question you've ever heard in your life? Like, how am I supposed to know what price a stock is going to finish at? You know, don't you think if we knew the answer to that, we would be on the moon? Or somewhere on the galaxies, right? So just avoid asking those stupid questions, because that's why I'm just going to respond with $100,000, you know? So that's, for me, that's why I just give you guys mess around with those questions. Sometimes I call the people out for a joke, but you know. All right, let's see. Yo. Good afternoon. 2 red days so far. My fault. Stick to the strategy, Ricky, bro. You got it, man. Just stick to it. You know what you need to do, but if you're not going to stick to it, then obviously that's a issue you need to start focusing on, right? Everything. I mean, I'm assuming you're in the Discord. I hope you are. But yeah, if you know you're not sticking to the strategy, you know that's just on you, right? So start sticking to it, and then you'll start to see results, because if you're not going to follow it, then it's just going to be, you're basically wasting and throwing away money, you know. VHAI, just wait for a downtrend break. Nothing on this. My Hollow prediction. I don't know what price the stock will go to. I'll be honest with you. I have no idea. I'm not even going to tell you, right? Because I don't know. And if I say it's going to go to $2, right? It means absolutely nothing, because I don't know what it will go to. I can give you the key levels, which are these, right? 575. But other than that, it's impossible for me to tell you what price. If you know someone who does, let me know. I'll give them $5 billion and they can trade for us. So here are your key levels for Hollow. These are your resistance levels, whatever you want to call them, you know? It's still in a falling wedge, all those good things. But let me go through, before I go through Twitter, YouTube, guys, I'll get back to you. So ask questions and all that. Let me go through these, catch up on Twitter, and then I'll get to you guys, right? What's driving this? I don't know what's going on with that play. I don't really look at it too much. If you guys want to know the fundamentals, I am not the man to follow. Google is your man to follow. I don't know anything about fundamentals. I don't know anything about 99% of the companies I trade, I don't know anything about them. Unless it's like Snapchat or something, then yeah, but I don't know half the time what I'm trading. Waste of time. I'm in the trade for a few minutes, so it doesn't really bother me. Like, I don't know who the CEO is. I don't care about the news, you know. CNTM looks good for reversal. Reversing off demand zone. Yeah, demand zone looks good on this. Rightio. Yeah, it looks good. Hollow price direction all in. Lol. Luna's nice. You're still watching GeoVX. Runs with monkeypox. Guys, if you're down more than 5%, just cut your play. Just cut it. Just cut it. Yeah, you're the legend, Michael O'Connor. The legend. See, look, realistic. 5% target. That's all you need. TGL, well done if you got in. All right, good morning. Hello. Happy belated birthday. Thank you, Ricky, bro. Appreciate it. ALZN. If you're looking for ALZN right now, I would not be trying to enter because you're right at resistance. I personally would wait for 572 break, then look for your entry. So just wait now. We sell, wait. If you're up 3 to 5%, I would take some profits. The Mighty Maxon is moving up. If I'm looking for entries on Maxon, I never trade the stock, but I just share it for my followers. And the stock is, if you are looking for any entries on this, personally, what I look for is I would wait for a 0.26. So Maxon, wait for 0.26 break. Wait for entries. Right, so just wait. Relax. Oh no, not to 600. Shit, my bad. Maxon. So Maxon is wait for 0.206. Entries. Alright, cool. Maxon. The mighty Maxon and all the bag holders. Hopefully we set them free. Question, how do you properly get into a breakout candle? Sometimes the candle just engulfs. I never, ever... Ricky, are you in the... Wait, this will answer your question. Are you in the Discord? I mean, regardless if you're not, I will still explain it, but I just want to see if you are. ALZN, nothing unless 572, guys. That's it. Put an alert, take a screenshot, send it to your girlfriend, whatever you need to do to remember it. All right. So ALZN, wait for break above 572. ALZN. Oh, I might as well tell you guys as well. Listen here. Guys, on Twitter, I understand that there is about 500 bots, scammers, whatever, right, are underneath my posts, okay? They are not me. I do not have a Telegram. I understand that they keep posting it. There's nothing I can do. I've tried to contact Telegram. I've contacted Elon Musk. I don't know, contacted pretty much anyone I can, right? And I still have not got, right, anything. No response. So you're all smart enough to understand that I am not going to send you random messages and tell you to follow this, send me $1,000, send me crypto, Bitcoin, any of this AI bot trading shit. I'm a normal human being. I'm a person that will not go and ask for this stuff, all right? If you want to join anything that we have, myself and Hassi, we are in a Discord. Go onto my page. The only person you should be following is Tigerline Trades, not Tigerline Trade, not 8 Trade, none of that stuff. You can see my name, my followers, my interactions. You can see all of that. If you don't want to take the time, right, to look at that stuff, then that's on you. But that is all you need to do is go onto the page and look. Please ignore all the bots. I'm not going to write underneath my own comment to join a Telegram. It's a load of BS, all right? Question, they asked about price position. Yeah, I mean, I just worded it wrong. I'm assuming it's all right. Some people are learning. It's okay. But yeah, it wasn't what she was asking. Yeah, RR is still good. I mentioned to someone yesterday. It was over here. So yeah, I literally said it was bullish and still worth entries. So yeah, well done if you got in. $1 break next. These are your levels. Are still bullish. You're right. Hollow to Mars. Oh, hollow. Yeah, hollow. ALZN got him. Which trade should I take this afternoon? IMN. Oh yeah, everyone's going on about this play. Just go the 4 hour and look. I would just $1 here, your next resistance. But if you're trying to look for any entries, riskier entries, just wait for a break above 0.85. 0.85, you can look for your entries. I personally am not trading this unless it gets over $1 today. Probably will with the momentum it has, but yeah, I don't know. It's a bit of a freaky one. Wait for 0.85 break above. Yeah, it needs 0.85. Lunar uptrend. I'm assuming, yeah, it looks. Yesterday, this one gave me a fake. I didn't trade it, but I was looking to get it. Looks good though. It's actually moving up right now, 17%. 515. Yeah, just wait for 515. Can get above that, then you should be all right. I wouldn't be entering now though. It's coming down a bit. We'll just have to wait and see what this one does do. We have 4 hour chart, larger time frame. Yeah, larger time frame looks good. Very, very bullish chart. Broke out of the ascending triangle. So yeah, nice. Keep it on your watch list. Pre-market mover, previous top gainer. We'll see. You're not. All right, well, if you're entering any chart patterns, a bullish chart pattern like a falling wedge, you just enter inside of the pattern. That's it. That's what I would tell you, bro. So I don't enter on the breakout because the chart pattern is expected to break out. Why am I going to waste a few percent when I could get in much earlier? Current levels, how do you see? I would love to know your levels on it. Maxin. Here's Maxin levels. Look, 0.26 or nothing. You need to wait for 0.26. The reason why 206 is because this is the most resistance here. A lot of rejection. 1, 2, 3. All of these rejections here. If you get a candle closure above, then you can look for your entries. This is on the 5 minute. It doesn't matter what time frame it's on. You can even use the 15 minute if you want, but this is the level that you have. 0.25. Then you break above that, then you have range to 0.23. So that's what I have. Trying to buy now is not a good idea because if you look at the trend, what's happening, right? It's ranging. So there's no trend at all apart from it just going up and down, right? So you don't want to be gambling and trading a 50% chance of trading and making money. You want at least 70-80%, right? So wait for closure above 0.26, higher probability to go up. Maxin, Luna. Yeah, I just went over Luna now. Oh, sorry, it's over 2 points. Yes, correct. Wolf runs with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's running nice. My swings are cooking this week already, and it's only Tuesday. We making money. So yeah, Wolf's looking good. It runs with Bitcoin. So if you're looking at the levels, here's your next resistance, 4.87. So this looks good. Then your next major resistance, like 575. So yeah, this just runs with Bitcoin. So Mara, Hut, Riot, all of them, you know, so they all follow each other. I'm asking to come in and take profits. I'm taking this position at lottery, just a 10k position. I do actually want to gamble. ASPX, bro, up to you what you decide, man. I'm just giving my feedback based on technical analysis. Whether the news is true on that stock, I don't know. But I don't trade based off news. I don't really care. I'm not going to buy a stock because, like they've said, I think something with Tesla or that, but for me, it means nothing. It doesn't give me, it's not the fact that it has a high chance of running, none of that stuff. For me, it's just whatever it has potential to run, then I will look for it. PRFX, nice, perfect. I got it on my watch list. Thanks, hey bro. I saw Z Trader put it in the Discord as well. Cool. Let me go through anything else here on Twitter. All right, cool. These are all my plays here on the watch list. GeoVX, yeah, GeoVX is whack. Nothing on this. These monkeypox, I don't know what's happened, if they've cured it or whatever, but they're all coming down now, so yeah. They shall return when there is more news about it, but at the moment, nothing. Bearish. So GOVX, wait for downtrend break. Wait for downtrend break. But yeah, my trading's been absolutely phenomenal pre-market. I've had like over 82, yeah. I'd say like 83% win rate during pre-market in the last 2 months. Yeah, I usually give only like one or two red trades and like 6+ green. But yeah, pre-market I do very well. I'm just very good at identifying the pullbacks and reversals, and that's where I focus on a lot. VRAX, let me check this out. But yeah, everyone, I mean, if you guys want to make money before you go to work, definitely join the Discord if you want to trade some pre-market. It's good to make some moolah. But very high success rate during pre-market. It's been good fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. VRAX is whack. Whack. VRAX, wait for nothing on this. VRAX is currently bearish. Right, I'm just going to give you a quick example. That's it. Just tell, well, not quick example, just quick explanation. Tell you how it is. TGL is back in here. So we see this like that. Yeah, this is good like this. Falling wedge. All right, cool. So yeah, this is still valid, still worth entries if you want to. Guys, people need to understand this. This is a falling wedge, okay? It is no longer valid if the stock, right, if the candles break and close below it. If it comes all the way down into here, it is still valid, right? So technically, until it gets to 135, it's still valid. If it closes below this falling wedge, it is no longer valid. It's as simple as that. So yes, it is still valid. The range on it is pretty crazy, but I mean, it's up to you what you decide. But yes, it should break out, technically speaking. KDLY. Yeah, fundamentals, I'm not really interested in this, but KDLY has 0 volume for me to even consider. If I'm looking for anything on this, wait for $2. KDLY is nothing unless $2 break. So you have to wait. You have to wait. ASNS is here, 16%. ASN is still bearish. Look, downtrend. So if you're looking for an entry, right? Do you know where you need to look? If you don't, ask and I'll explain. But it's very simple to understand. PRFX. Yeah, PRFX, INM. INM, you need to wait for 0.85. If you've entered now, you are gambling and you have not done what you are supposed to do. Peter, slow. It's just chilling right now. TGL, it's looking all right. Luna, nothing on this. TTMP, weak. So just remove this, no longer valid, this demand zone. So we have to move down to the next demand zone, which is this. I'm gonna move this psych level. So this is what you have right now. And then obviously you can see downtrend. You can have a wick like that, but I'm gonna go through more because I can get more touches, which indicates a stronger area. Maybe a possible falling wedge on this, but I'm just gonna avoid it for now. I would just say that this is a downtrend. Okay, look, as simple as I can explain this, and it's very simple for everyone. If you literally just looked at the chart, this is the first ever chart you've looked at in your whole entire life, this is the easiest way to understand this, right? You can see that what is happening in this chart is that it's going down, right? That means, another word for that is bearish, meaning no good, do not buy it, leave it alone. Why are you going to buy a stock, right, when it keeps going down, right? As simple as that. So when are you going to buy the stock, right? That's the question. Where? The easiest thing to understand is very, very, very simple here. If the candle closes above the downtrend, The downtrend is this line. If the candle closes above here, above here, above here, wherever it breaks and closes above, that is your indication of a reversal. A reversal means it's going from a downtrend to what? An uptrend. What happens in an uptrend? The stock goes up, right? So that's what you're looking for. You're not looking to buy now. You're looking for the trend to break and go up, right? So it could be here at 159. It could be down here at 125. It could be down here at 0.75. You don't know. All you have to know is that you draw the line, you identify the trend, and you wait for the trend to break. You can use whatever time frame you decide. You can use a 30-second time frame. You can use a 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. There is no best time frame to use. All right. You can go onto Google or YouTube and type in best time frame. There will be millions of time frames that they will tell you is the best. It comes with practice, and you need to decide what you want to do. If you want to day trade, swing trade, that all is a whole different process. I don't want to go into that. But simple, draw the line, wait for the trend line to break, enter the trade. That is it. Manage your risk. All right. That is as simple as I can explain to anyone about trading. If you are looking for a simple strategy, it's literally called a trend line break. TGL. What do you know? It's like magic. The falling wedge is a magic indicator. I mean, chart pattern. Time and time again. I can guarantee you, and I will put my house on it, that if you can take 5 falling wedges correctly in a day for the rest of your life, you will be profitable. You take 5 trades, you will not lose 5 in a row. Maybe one day you will, but very, very low chance that it will happen. And if you stick to a 1-to-1 risk to reward, you will be profitable for sure. Show it every day in the Discord. Peter, nothing on Peter for me. I mean, if you want to enter, I would have a stop loss under 310 for now. But yeah, it is low volume. It's just nothing really going on with it. PRFX was great. In at 189 to $1. Nice. Well done. Nothing for me on this. I don't like to trade something that's running crazy like that. I would just mark $1, and then that's where I would kind of sort out where I would look for my plays. That's funny. Some people on Twitter are very, very funny. Ty, quick question. I've been trading Hood since Thursday. Pullbacks took 5-9% gains. Hood. I was actually going to give this as a swing in the Discord, but I don't know why I avoided it. 5-minute time frame. On something like this, I would avoid using a demand zone, but because look at the volume, it's all over the place, right? It's not clear trend 2025. Yeah, it is. This is your demand zone though. Yeah, you're correct. Like this zone is a demand zone, yeah. But if it's not clear, I would simply just use a larger time frame. So like I would just mark where resistance is, which is around here, like 2180 is your next like resistance, because you have the most amount of rejections in this level. So that is your next like resistance level, I would say. That's how I would do it. But I mean, obviously you can see steady uptrend, you know, nothing can really, I don't know any catalyst either, but yeah, it looks nice. I like it. RKLB, nice. Yeah, RKLB is good. It broke above 710 from yesterday. Just look at the next levels. 805 you have next around there, 805, and then pretty much where it's at, this level, 740.50, like this. So these are your next levels like that. So now you go to the 5-minute, identify what's going on, right? These are your next levels. TANH. I don't like this stock. I know it's a China play, but these are very weak setups. I don't really like it. Yeah, so for me, I'm assuming you're trying to day trade, I would kind of focus on something that has more volume. But if you want to take the trade, you're more than welcome to. It is in a falling wedge, so it should push up, but nothing is guaranteed in this market, you know. TTMP is looking alright in this demand zone. TGL's cooking a little bit. Peter's all right. Market's pushing a little bit. Looks good, looks good. INM go up for now. If you think so, then get in, brother. Let it go. If you want to enter, go ahead. I don't see anything on it yet. Tan H, yeah, Tan H is just a falling wedge, so that's all I can tell you right now. So Tan H, falling wedge, setup. So we'll see how this one does. RR needs to close above $1. It's good. I just went over it earlier, and I'm assuming you just joined, but yeah, looks good. $1 now, it's pushing. Looks nice. Looks good, looks good. I saw here yesterday, someone asked me about it, and then yeah, just pushing up. 126, your next resistance. PRFX looks like a huge pump and dump. I wouldn't consider this unless it gets back over $1. It's literally down, what, nearly 50% from the highs. Yeah, 60%, so stay far away. That's called a pump and then dump. So nothing yet. ASNS might be worth entries here if you want to take it. I'm not going to be entering it, but yeah, it looks good. I like it. The setup looks decent. It looks good. Low volume coming in, or low volume. Hopefully you get pushed to the upside on this. So ASNS, I would say 150 break above equals entries. So these are all the top plays that I have on my watch list. These are not the ones that I'm going to buy. It means that I'm going to be looking closely at these plays. Luna's doing alright. TGL's coming down a bit. Peter's chilling. INM, nothing. ASNS needs 150. Yeah, that one, nothing. RR's looking good. Very good volume. Probably get a 5% on that one. Get to at least 108, 109. TTMP off demand zone here looks alright. Trying to reverse. Right, what else is going on here? Guys, like up the stream. See how many likes we got here. I say we only got 20 likes. We have 14. Lazy today. People are sleeping. Come on, guys. I need to repost this thing because I gets hidden for the YouTube. Retweet it as well, guys. We get some more people in here. Cero, nothing unless 0.17. I say it every time. This chart has not changed. Cero, nothing unless 0.17. So you have to wait. Unfortunately, you have to be patient. Let me see. Amazon. We have to look at the daily on this. I mean, it has a gap fill. Gap fill. Yeah, Amazon has gap fill. Amazon got a gap fill. PRFS score 0.8, 0.97 using breakout. Can you analyze the technicals behind this trade? What do you mean by that? I didn't mention, I mean, I just said that it was a mover. I'd never mentioned anything about it, but if you can just clarify on that, what you mean exactly. Because you mentioned that you're using a breakout, so yeah, I don't really know what question. ASTS is looking good. This stock is bullish as heck. Is this all-time highs or what? This thing's insane, seriously. Yeah, all-time highs. I mean, this thing, yeah, this thing's insane. What happens now is usually stocks like this, they will go for psychological levels. So like $40 will be your next level, right? And then you can have like, I would say like 40, 45. Like these are your next levels. Just aim for psychological levels on these, but when something's at all-time high, it's difficult. Needs to break. Isn't this the most... This is the highest return, right? Stock, like, recently. I mean, the last, I don't know how many months, but this thing's insane. We have Hollow. Hollow is here. This is what you have on Hollow. These are the key levels I have. These are not targets. You don't hold for these levels. These are just levels to look at. You know? So it should break out. It looks like it's trying to break out, but yeah. Remember, don't hold on forever. Luna. Yeah, Luna needs 515 if I was to consider anything. ASTS. What up, Mike, bro? ASTS. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, well done on that. What else is moving here? Anything else? CCJ sounds like a China ticker. It is. Oh no, it's not. I don't know. Nothing on this. I mean, what you have? You have your next like level up here, 45, 46 level, 45.96. Strong bullish trend. Bullish trend. APDN. Let me have a look. APDN, I think this one stopped me out yesterday. Nothing on this. Yeah, I mean, what I would do is I would mark this like 150 level, psychological, and see if it can bounce off this level. But at the moment, nothing. I wouldn't like be in this yet. See if it can hold 150. So just keep a... APDN at major support. At major support. So we can just keep it on watch. Was it ASTR? No, this is APDN. It's good to keep this one on watch. It might bounce off this level. So yeah, keep it on watch. I will add it to my watch list as well. VRAX, Agri. Agri, I don't like this stock, to be honest. It never really holds its gains. Yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. Maybe above here. Zero. There's 7 cents. So yeah, you decide. Probably delisting soon. VRAX. VRAX falling wedge. It depends what time frame. It's not that clear of one. Yeah, I wouldn't use this as a falling wedge. I personally wouldn't use this as a falling wedge. I would say it's just in a downtrend for now. I mean, you could try and force a falling wedge like that, but yeah, it's a little bit of a difficult one. It's just that the issue is this is obviously based off the monkeypox news and stuff, so this is a little bit difficult to trade. Thanks, no worries. PRFX might be reversing. Close above maybe 0.5, you could look for your entries, or 0.5 or 0.6, sorry. Candle closure above here, you could look for 5%. ASNS closed above 150, not bad, not bad. INM, nothing. Nothing, TGL. This one's still cooking a little bit. Luna, yeah, Luna needs 515 as I mentioned. TTNP, just chilling. APDN. APDN volume's coming in. Looks good now. This might be worth good buys here. I would take some, to be honest. Aim for a 5%er. You could probably get something. Remember, this level was a huge major support level, as I mentioned earlier. If you're looking on a larger time frame, I think it was the 4 hour. No, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour you can see, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches here. Strong level. ISPO has no volume, brother. Yeah, ISPO is not my kind of play, unfortunately, just because it doesn't have much volume. But if you are trying to look for something on entries on this, I would wait for 524. Closure above there, then you have clean range to literally 650. Maxin. The Mighty Maxin. What is the Mighty Maxin doing? Yes, falling wedge on this, correct. Like this. This is a low volume one. Look at these dots. These candles are not very clear, but it is a falling wedge. Yes, look. Maxon looking good still. MLGO, where's this one? Let me have a look. Yeah, MLGO is looking nice. This one's looking good. This is definitely worth entries. This one's cooking nice. Can help TGL. Yeah, we'll have to see. The range on it's too crazy. I won't be trading in this today, I don't think. Hollow. Yeah, I would be, as I mentioned, this one, it's already run now, but I mentioned like a couple minutes ago, Marvin, I don't know if you're in here, but I said it's expected to break out. It's literally breaking out as expected. So yeah, what's that? Like 10%. So yeah, it's good. I mean, I personally don't enter now. For me, there's no reason to be entering. I feel like I'm chasing the stock. I enter anywhere inside of the wedge. I never enter the breakout. Why would I enter? Look, why would I enter here for 9% when I could have entered down here for an extra, what, 15%? So that's just my thinking behind trades like that. I always enter inside of the wedge. I never enter the breakout. I feel like I'm chasing, FOMOing. I don't do any of that stuff. So I just remove it. I remove it from my trading. Perfect breakout. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, just one thing to mention as well, because we have some people in here. And I mentioned earlier, there are so many bots and everything under my Twitter. Okay, I understand that. I do not have a Telegram. These are all stupid fake accounts. You can see how they're messaging, the typing and everything. I'm not a robot. I'm a normal human person, okay? I will never DM you asking you for $1,000, telling you about crypto, Forex, any AI trading bullshit, all right? You're all smart enough and probably been following me for long enough to know that. I'm not just going to randomly DM you, all right? So please be smart with that. Never send anyone money. No one should be doing that. If you are, then I don't know what you're doing and why you're doing it, but yeah. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Discord members, I'll send out the live train link in like 20 minutes. Gonna go chill out, relax for a bit. So I will see you guys in a bit. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.